Hi, my name's Charlene Ware, and I'm a registered dietitian with the Culinary Medicine Department at SIU Med School. Today we want to talk about Brussels sprouts. I'm telling you, Brussels sprouts are like the ugly duckling of the vegetable world, but you know what? They are really the swan. They have turned in, because of roasting, because of doing them on the grill, they have turned into be one of the favorite vegetables, partially because they're so healthy for you. They're high in antioxidants, they're high in fiber, they pack a vitamin C punch. Do you know 1 cup has 150% of the vitamin C you need in a day? Now everybody thinks, oh, oranges are high in vitamin C, which they are, but so are these little Brussels sprouts. You wouldn't know that. They're also loaded with vitamin K. They may help reduce inflammation, which is really important right now, and they help regulate blood sugar because of all that fiber. So when you get this bag of Brussels sprouts, what do you do with them? Well, the first thing is to make sure you rinse them well, and then you're gonna cut off the bottom in part of it. And if some of the leaves come off, it's okay. It's not a problem at all to lose some of those outer leaves, but you wanna make sure you trim them. And if you're doing a skewer, we can do skewers on the grill, which is really nice. You wanna make sure you get even the small ones on the one and the larger ones on another one. So we're gonna do those on the grill, but we're also gonna roast them. And so to roast them, we're gonna use this garlic flavored olive oil. And you're just gonna sprinkle a little bit over that. We're gonna use some salt and pepper, which gives us some great flavor. A little bit of salt. I like the ones that grind because they're so fresh. And then what I love to use is a balsamic glaze. So you're just gonna squeeze that over, give it a nice color, and then with a spoon, you're just kind of mixing it all together. What we're gonna do with this, it's as easy as that. We're gonna put these in the oven, roast them for 30 to 35 minutes. So I think our Brussels sprouts are done. They are absolutely beautiful. And you know what could be simpler than just a little olive oil, a little balsamic glaze, salt and pepper, and you've got a really nutritious vegetable. Enjoy.